Hey everyone! If you're still wondering how to actually start trading, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact, systematic steps you should follow as a complete beginner to get started the right way. The very first thing you need is knowledge, and thankfully, that's completely free. Just open your browser and start searching these basic terms. Write them down or screenshot this list. Investing versus trading. Understand the difference. Derivatives and indices. Learn what the market really trades on. Stock trading. Get the basics of buying and selling shares. Options trading. Explore how contracts work. Calls and puts. Learn the building blocks of options. Don't worry about fancy strategies right now. This is your foundation. Once you get these basics clear, the rest becomes much easier. Go to a charting platform like TradingView. You can use the web version or install the desktop app. Once you're in, open the Dow Jones index chart, switch the time frame to 5 minutes, and just watch how the market moves. Don't trade yet. Your goal is to train your eyes to notice patterns, momentum, and how candles form during different sessions. Think of this as visual practice for your brain. Trading isn't just about clicking buy and sell. It's about training your mind to follow rules, when to enter, when to exit, and when to stay out. Make this your daily practice. Watch how price reacts around support and resistance. Notice what happens before big moves. And most importantly, learn to stay patient. If you can stay disciplined watching the market without reacting, you're already ahead of most beginners. In next video, I will give you a basic setup and you will learn how to draw levels on your chart for dummy trading. Once you've observed for a few days and you feel a bit more confident, it's time to open a trading account with a broker you like. Choose a broker that offers a solid platform, good customer support, and reasonable fees. Don't overthink it. You can always switch later. Finally, start saving a little money. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Even a small amount helps you feel real market emotions. When you trade with real money, your psychology changes. You learn faster, you become cautious, and you start understanding risk. So that's your first roadmap to becoming a trader. Learn the basics, watch the market, train your brain, open your account, and start small. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually build a beginner-friendly trading system step by step. Make sure you subscribe, because that's where things start getting really fun.